Hello and welcome to this delightful meditation to relax and relieve stress. Get into a seated position where you can be upright, elongating the spine. It's best to be seated in the traditional meditation position for this one. Allow your mind to naturally find a spot in front of you to fixate on. Begin to very slowly blink your eyes and do not look away. Feel the relaxation within the darkness each time you blink. Repeat this until your eyes want to naturally close. When you close your eyes, notice a gentle wave of relaxation sweep over your entire body. Bring your awareness to your breath. What's it like? Did you take a nice inhale as soon as you focused on your breathing? Pay close attention to how your lungs expand and contract with your breath. It's a very natural and gentle sensation. Noticing how your belly also expands and contracts easily as you breathe. Allow the breath to relax you. In and out. Expand and contract. Refresh and relax. Inhale and exhale. Take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds. Exhale and relax. Take another deep breath, as deep as you can, and hold it. Count for a few seconds. And as you exhale, just imagine blowing out all of your stress. Take a third deep breath and hold it. As you exhale, you blow out all stress you've been holding on to, saying to yourself, relax or calm. Relax or calm. This is your new solution to stress. Whenever you feel burdened in the future, you simply take 3 fully in and deep breaths. Holding it at the top of the inhalation for a few seconds. And when you exhale, blow out any tension or strain that you've been holding on to. With the last breath, say to yourself something soothing, such as relaxing or settling. Relaxing or settling. Remember that it is natural for you to be healthy and happy. It is unnatural for you to have sickness and misery. Now repeat these helpful statements, deeply understanding them. In order to make a change, I challenge myself. In order to make a great change, I challenge my thoughts. Whenever I am presented with feelings of stress, I know my breath is there to soothe me and guide me into relaxation. When I feel stress, I know that taking 3 deep breaths relaxes my body and mind. From now on, I challenge every single negative and unproductive thought as they arise. Every single day, I become more aware of all the good things going on in my community and in the world around me. Good. One last tip of advice. From this point forward, whenever you find yourself having negative, stressful and unproductive thoughts, you immediately say to yourself the word stop or enough. Allow me to repeat. Listen carefully. Whenever you find yourself having negative and unproductive thoughts, you immediately say to yourself, enough, stop. And the very moment you say the word stop or enough, you'll find that the negative thoughts you were having simply disappear. It takes practice to perfect. Then it becomes second nature. This gives you the opportunity to start a new and positive thought process. Good. You are doing very powerful work by practicing these techniques daily without skipping a day. This is the way you change your life for the better. Thanks for being here with me in this meditation. When you're ready, start to loosen your body. And start to open your eyes. Thank you.